Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And to this video, I will show you on everything you need to know about project file property in Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. Like for instance, when you drag video clip in the track right here, I have a track 1 right here, and I have a video clip in these sections right here. Now, without a project property, it's going to be very hard to do proper editing. Like for instance, if I want to scale up or scale down, without a project property, there is no way we can do that very easily. And in some cases, when you drag video clip into the timeline, you might not see the project property, you may mistakenly hidden it. And for you to unveil your project property, just click on this section right here, you have property, or you press Ctrl+2. Once you click on that, then you have your project property from the sidebar right here, just like what you see right here. Okay. So here, I can come to the top right here and zoom to fit. Now, how do we actually work with our project property right here? Let's say, for instance, this particular clip right here, I want to scale it down. So what we want to do is to make use of project property. You scale down right here. This is one of the essence of using project file property right here. Now, let's say, for instance, this particular clip right here, I will make a duplicate. I want to make the overlay and reduce the opacity of it. What we want to do is to right click on the clip right here in the timeline. Then we make sure we click on duplicate. And we have the duplicate right here. Now we can make the bottom layer into a very wide one. So we select on it, we come to the property, we expand it this way. It's like so. Then we want to make sure that this one right here, we want to lower the opacity. So you have to click on the timeline track and then control the opacity. So now you can imagine without the property element, all this is going to be very much difficult to do. Let's say, for instance, we want to rotate. Let me go quickly delete that and fall back to the original clip in the timeline right here. If you want to rotate without the property details right here, it's not going to be easy. You can scroll down and see detail about your property right here. Then you can navigate to the audio icon right here. This allows you to edit in audio. So you have the properties bar in the bottom right here, which you can hide or show. You can click on here to remove grain from the audio right here. You can control and adjust the audio grade from this sidebar right here. You can mix into mono right here, so you can work as many as possible with your project property right here. So come back to the file property right here, which allow you to scale. So if you want to scale your video, you can see you can scale as many as possible the angle that you like, just like what you see right here. So everything depends on what exactly you really want to achieve. Just like so. So if I play the video, it's not going to move, but the scale is being in effect right here without affecting the quality of the video. You can see everything right here. So we can come back here and scale down as much as possible in the panel sections right here. So if you are not satisfied with the scale, come back here and turn it back to 0 right here, or click on this icon, which allow you to return back to normal position, just like what you see right here. Then you have width and height. So for this width and height, you can easily control it with the scaling and scale out right here. And the opacity, just like so. The more you turn down the opacity, the more the video fading. The more you increase the opacity, the more the video come up with the right vision. Then height here, you can use the rotation bar right here, just like so. You can rotate to whatever angle of your choice. You want to rotate to angle X, so you have it right here. You want to rotate to angle X is here, angle Z, angle Y is here. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. You can scale up right here, then you have exactly what is set right here. So if you are not satisfied with everything, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z to take you back to your normal position. So this is the essence of having a project file property and how you can unveil it if it's hidden in Camtasia video editing software. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.